Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's secrets only frequent travelers know about airports. 1. Security hacks for faster checkpoints. Use alternative security checkpoints at major airports like JFK, LAX, and Heathrow. There are often multiple TSA or security screening areas. The main checkpoint is usually the busiest, but a lesser-known one might be further down the terminal with little to no wait. Example: at Denver International Airport, the north security checkpoint is usually much faster than the south. Know the best times to go through security peak times to avoid: early mornings, late afternoons, and Sundays, Mondays. Best times: midday and late at night. Bonus tip: use TSA wait time apps like MyTSA to check real-time security line lengths. 2. Smart baggage tips to prevent lost luggage. Marking your bag as fragile works like a charm. If you request a fragile sticker at check-in, baggage handlers usually place it on top of other luggage, and it comes out first at baggage claim. Extra tip: unique luggage tags or colored straps make your bag easy to spot. Use an AirTag or GPS tracker. A tile tracker or Apple AirTag inside your suitcase lets you track your bag if the airline loses it. Example: a traveler found their lost bag in a different airport using an AirTag and alerted the airline, who had no idea it was misplaced. If your bag is lost, file a claim immediately. Airlines have strict time windows for compensation. Pro tip: ask for a reimbursement for essentials while they find your bag. Many airlines will cover these costs if you ask. 3. Flight delay and upgrade strategies. Call the airline instead of waiting in line. If your flight is canceled, call the airline while standing in line. The phone agents can often rebook you faster than the in-person desk. Bonus tip: if you have an international delay, try calling the airline's foreign customer service line. They sometimes have less wait time. Increase your chances of a free upgrade. Airlines prioritize upgrades for elite status holders, but if you don't have status, you can still get lucky by dressing professionally, traveling solo, checking in early, being polite. Gate agents have the power to bump you up. 4. Airport lounge secrets. Priority pass and one-time lounge entry. Many credit cards offer free lounge access. Even if you don't have a membership, some lounges allow pay-per-use access for around $30 to $50. Hidden lounges in some airports. Some airports have free or hidden lounges. Seoul and Incheon. Free nap zones, shower rooms, and even a golf course. Istanbul Airport. Free hotel stays for layovers over 6 hours with Turkish Airlines. Singapore Changi. Free movie theaters and a butterfly garden. 5. Food and drinks hacks. Bring an empty water bottle. Airports overcharge for water, but most have free water refill stations near restrooms. Bonus tip: if you forget a bottle, ask for a free cup of water at any airport restaurant or Starbucks. Some credit cards give free food at airports. Some American Express and Chase cards provide free food credits at select airport restaurants when you show your card. Example: at LAX, Denver, and JFK, some priority pass lounges give a $28 meal credit per person at partnered restaurants. 6. Navigating airports like a pro. Download airport maps in advance. Google Maps and Lounge Buddy have airport layouts, so you can locate security lines, lounges, food spots, and rest areas. Example: at Dallas-Fort Worth, Terminal D has the best food options, while Terminal A has the shortest TSA lines. Airport sleep hacks. Many airports have hidden sleep areas or nap pods. Munich has free reclining chairs in Terminal 2. Singapore Changi offers free sleep zones and hotels inside the terminal. London Heathrow. The Yodel Air allows 4-hour naps for cheap. 7. Freebies and hidden perks. Most people don't know free transit hotels for long layovers. Some airlines offer free hotel stays if you have a long layover. Qatar Airways, free 4-star hotel for layovers over 8 hours. Turkish Airlines, free city tours for layovers over 6 hours. Etihad Airways, free hotel stays for layovers over 10 hours. Free showers in airports if you need a quick refresh after a long flight. Some airports offer free showers. Tokyo, Narita, Dubai, Seoul, Incheon, free airport tours. Some major airports offer free sightseeing tours for long layovers. Istanbul, free city tour and lunch for layovers over 6 hours. Doha, free 3-hour city tour. Singapore Changi, free 2-hour tour if you have 5+ hours. 8. Money-saving and travel tricks: book flights in incognito mode. Airlines use cookies to track your searches and may increase prices if you keep looking at the same flight. Pro tip: use a VPN to check flight prices from different countries. It can sometimes be cheaper. Some airlines refund you if prices drop. Alaska Airlines and Southwest let you rebook at a lower price if fares drop after purchase. Flight compensation for delays and cancellations: if your flight is delayed over 3 hours, you may be eligible for compensation. U.S. flights: if a delay is airline-caused, they must rebook you for free, even on a competitor's airline. 9. Advanced security checkpoint hacks: skip long security lines with a trick. If you're traveling domestically, go to the international terminal security checkpoint. They're often less crowded, and you can still access your domestic gate after passing security. Example: at LAX, security at Terminal 2 is often shorter than Terminals 4 or 5, and you can still walk to your domestic gate. The trick to getting TSA PreCheck for free: if you don't have TSA PreCheck, try booking a premium economy or business class ticket. Some airlines randomly grant TSA PreCheck to premium passengers. Certain credit cards cover the $78 TSA PreCheck fee. 10. Secret ways to speed through immigration and customs: use the crew lane. At immigration, some airports allow families, first-class passengers, and airline crew to use special immigration lines. If there's no agent checking, just walk through confidently. Worst case? They redirect you, but it's worth trying. Example: at London Heathrow, some travelers have used the crew and diplomats lane without issue. Global entry is a game-changer. U.S. Customs pre-clearance: if you're traveling from Canada, Ireland, or the Caribbean, you can clear U.S. Customs before you land, skipping long immigration lines when you arrive. Never get flagged for extra screening. Never joke about security. Words like bomb or weapon can get you flagged instantly. If you wear boots, belts, or thick-soled shoes, you're more likely to be stopped for extra screening. Wear slip-on shoes instead. 11. Hidden lounges and VIP treatment: without paying, many lounges accept a one-time payment. If you're flying economy but want lounge access, check Lounge Buddy or Priority Pass. Many lounges allow $20 to $50 one-time entry, even without a first-class ticket. Hidden VIP areas in airports: Frankfurt Airport has a free silent relaxation room with recliners. Doha Hamad Airport offers free sleep areas in the quiet zone. Singapore Changi has free foot massage chairs throughout the terminal. Book the cheapest business class lounge pass at some airports. You can buy business class lounge access online even if you're flying economy. Example: in Dubai, the Marhaba Lounge sells access online for as low as $35. 12. Little-known baggage tricks: get your lost bag delivered for free if your luggage is delayed. Don't wait at the airport. Instead, file a claim and request free delivery to your hotel or home. Most airlines will cover the cost. Example: American Airlines, Delta, and United all offer free baggage delivery if your bag is delayed more than 6 hours. If your bag is overweight, here's what to do instead of paying an overweight fee. Put heavy items in your coat pockets or carry a duty-free shopping bag. Example: some travelers bring an empty duty-free bag and transfer. Wade into it before checking in. Airline secret: buy a lap infant ticket to get more bags if you're traveling with a baby. Most airlines allow extra carry-on and checked luggage for free, even if the baby doesn't have a seat. Example: Emirates and Qatar Airways allow one free 10 kilograms checked bag for lap infants. 13. Layover and airport sleeping secrets: find free airport hotels for layover. Some airlines offer free hotels for long layovers if you meet their conditions. Qatar Airways: free hotel if your layover is over 8 hours. Turkish Airlines: free hotel for layovers over 10 hours. Emirates: free hotel for layovers over 8 hours. Best airports to sleep in: Singapore Changi, free nap lounges, airport hotel. Tokyo Narita, reclining chairs and capsule hotel. Seoul Incheon, nap zones and showers. Secret recliner seats and nap zones in airports. Frankfurt Terminal 1 has free lounge chairs in the transit area. Dubai Terminal 3 has quiet sleep zones with recliners. Amsterdam Schiphol, free reclining chairs in Holland Boulevard. 14. Money-saving tricks for flights and airport expenses: trick airlines into giving you a cheaper flight. Use a VPN and change a location. Search for flights from a different country. Airline websites sometimes show lower fares based on your IP address. Example: searching for flights on Air France's Brazilian website can be cheaper than booking on the U.S. site. Airline mistake fares and hidden discounts. Google Flights and Skyscanner sometimes show mistake fares. Example: some travelers have booked business class for $200 to $500 due to an airline pricing error. Hidden perks of travel credit cards. Some premium credit cards reimburse you for airport purchases. Example: Amex Platinum reimburses $200 for airline fees, including checked bags, seat upgrades, and even some in-flight meals. 15. Pro tips for a hassle-free travel pack. A mini survival kit in your carry-on. Always bring a portable phone charger, a universal travel adapter, a small first aid kit, compression socks. Use Google Translate's camera feature if you're in a foreign airport. Use Google Translate's camera mode to instantly translate signs and menus. Trick to avoid airport currency exchange fees. Instead of exchanging money at the airport, withdraw local currency from an ATM using a debit card with no foreign transaction fees. Example: Charles Schwab and Revolut offer fee-free foreign ATM withdrawals. Final bonus tip: be friendly, ask, and you might get free perks. Gate agents, flight attendants, and lounge staff have more flexibility than you think. If you're polite and friendly, they might give you better seats for free, offer extra snacks or drinks, let you board early if you ask nicely. Have a nice trip.